Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto baked honey garlic pork chops. Hello, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started on this easy boneless pork chop recipe. It is a keto honey garlic glaze and they are so flavorful and delicious. Standing by, I've got 6 boneless pork chops. They're about 1 inch thick. And you could just buy a pork loin and then cut them into chops, and that's what we did. And we just froze half of the pork loin. So that's 2 meals in 1. Or you can make this recipe twice. So first we need to mix together our marinade. We're gonna start with 1/3 cup of a keto honey substitute. This one is made by Wholesome Yum, and you can find it on Amazon. It is amazing, it tastes just like honey. We've got 1/4 cup of soy sauce, or tamari if you need gluten-free, which I do. So I use tamari. 2 minced cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of ginger paste. And ginger paste, you can just find it in the grocery store in like the deli area or the produce area. So let's get this all mixed up. Honey is sticky, so you want to get it all combined in with the soy sauce. Okay, we've got our marinade mixed, so we're going to pour it on top of our pork chops. I've got them in about a medium-sized mixing bowl, and I'm just going to zhuzh the pork chops around so the marinade can get in between all of the pork chops. And these are gonna marinate for 15 minutes. And I'll probably like periodically use a spoon and like baste the pork chops. It's not gonna work with a spatula. I'm gonna get a spoon and pour the marinade over the pork chops to make sure they get evenly coated. And then we're gonna bake them on a foil-lined sheet tray. Okay, our pork chops have marinated for 15 minutes, and now I'm going to make sure they're nicely coated. And then I'm going to put them on my foil-lined sheet tray here. Okay, these are ready for the oven. They're going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. You definitely want to make sure that you check these with an internal meat thermometer. You're looking for 145 degrees Fahrenheit for the internal temperature. Okay, our pork chops are out of the oven. So let me show you how amazing they look. If you wanted to get these, so I could brown them on the top, but they would get overcooked and I don't want to do that. So if you wanted to brown them on the top with like put them under the broiler or something, wait till like after 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Just before they've reached an internal temperature of 145, like say when they're at like 130, and then put them under the broiler, and then you'll get a nice brown crust on them. But just look at how beautiful these look. Juicy and super delicious. So tender. These will definitely be a family-pleasing meal. So be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.